and thank you for listening to this tutorial on accounts receivable aging reports. Today I'm going to show you some reports that may be useful in your analyzing your accounts receivable and may help you in any collection efforts that you may undergo. Of course, as we all know, that if you're not collecting the money owed to you, then you're not really making any money. So as with all reports in QuickBooks, they're all uniquely grouped by function. In this case, all your accounts receivable aging reports will be right here under customer receivables. And you can see there's a list of reports that are useful in analyzing your accounts receivable. I'm going to show you the AR aging summary. In this report, it shows all your customers and the current status of their invoices, whether they be, or the status of their invoices, whether they be current, 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60, or 61 to 90, and then an over 90 column. In this example, fortunately, everyone is current with the exception of Mr. Bollock here. He is 61 to 91 days. So it quickly gives you a snapshot of who is current and who is late on their invoice payments. Another report that you may want, of course the AR detail is the detail version of the summary. Another report is open invoices. This will display all open invoices by customer and their payment terms, and there's a lot of useful information here, due date, and if they are late, for example, you will see here that Mr. Bollock is 75 days past due, so you will see that also on this open invoice report. Another report may be your average days to pay summary. This is good to help you quickly analyze who your potential problem customers are as far as delay in payment. This is based on the statement or invoice date and the date and the due date. So, and the date that they actually make payment. So the statement or invoice date, and then the date that they actually receive paid. So it's the number of days that it took them to pay the invoice. In this case, Adam's Candy Shop's taken average 58 days. Christina Andreas here pays early, and basically you can just go down and see that the number of days, average days to pay their invoices. Very, very useful report in being proactive in your receivables. Another report is this collections report, and this report is unique in the fact that it gives you you can set the criteria for the number of days past due, but it's unique in the fact that it gives you their contact information in the report, along with all the information that could be useful in discussing the invoice when you contact the customer for payment. So that's just some of the AR aging reports that I think you might find useful. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.